Hello everybody, this is Tracy with the Barbecue Depot, and we're going to go over the differences between MHP's two most popular grill models, the WNK and the JNR. So the difference is the size, and there's a 4-inch difference left to right between the two approximately. They both have heat indicators on the top, a right and left side dual control. They operate on a battery ignition. They have the stay cool handle. They have cast aluminum hood and firebox. And of course, they are made in the USA. The warming rack is a little different in the JNR as it sits on the firebox. This particular model has the anodized aluminum, what they call Sear Magic grids, and you can flip them. To me, the biggest disadvantage to these is they can warp, and then you'll have to use the heat to get them to go flat again. The WNK, in this grill, we have the stainless rod cooking grates, which you can get either in the JNR or in the WNK. You can either get the stainless rod or you can get the Sear Magic. The warming rack in the WNK sits like the old charbroil style, like the swing away rack. They both use round ceramic briquettes. And if you have this grill and you're looking on how to place them in the grill, this is how you will, space them across. Also, the burner is a patented H burner, where though in a traditional H burner, all holes will light on the grill, this actually you can control one side or the other, or have both control knobs on, and the whole burner will light up. The WNK has 40,000 BTUs and the JNR has 30,000 BTUs. And with the size of the grills, they're both going to be equally as hot. Your JNR is going to come with one side shelf, and your WNK is going to come with two side shelves. There are 3 different bases that come with the columns. The columns, the WNK has the black column with 4 wheels. The JNR has one of their new red column, and they're powder coated. And this one also has 4 wheels. You can get a base with the 2 wheels or a patio mount, and that's with the columns. And there is also a Aquafire, which is like this Tiffany blue, the Ember Red, which I showed you on the JNR, and the Chicago Blue, which is more of like a royal blue. There is also a stainless base, which I don't really recommend. I have the WNK in my home with the stainless base, and it's a lot harder to keep clean because it does get surface rust. If you did not get a column base, you can also get these grills on a post or an open cart. We don't have those to show you, but they are available, and it does bring the cost down a little bit. If you have the cart, your propane tank will sit in the back, and it'll store back there out of sight. These grills are so easy to take care of. They can take a beating. They are great for multifamily residences, condos, even a home. They really are a performance grill. We love them here at Barbecue Depot and have been selling them for decades. We also carry all the parts for them. They have lifetime warranty on the hood, firebox, cooking grids, burners, not the ignition briquette trays or briquettes like most grills. If you have any other questions, if I missed anything on any of these models, need parts, contact us at thebarbecuedepot.com.